Hi, Fraser Cousins here, unpacking the MX Pro Series experience. With the MX Pro Series, we've really modernized all the essential things that you need in a smart board for less than you think. This MX Pro Series, which is 4K 60 interactive display monitor, comes in four sizes: the 55-inch, the 65-inch, the 75-inch, and 86-inch. All of them have a built-in USB 3 architecture that really allow you to be able to plug in peripherals like the webcam, speaker, microphone, keyboard directly into it, and then lend those services through the USB connection to be able to be lent to that active video source. So no unplugging, replugging, which is fantastic and lets you customize your space as you see fit. Speaking of customizing that experience, we have the ability of really dynamically sensing the room that it's within. We actually have a dynamic ambient light sensor on the MX Pro, which will dynamically change the brightness of the display based on the room that you're in. All of our four sizes of experience are Energy Star certified that really allow you to have a low cost of ownership as well as a low ecological footprint. Additionally to that experience, we have a visible pen tray that really let you pick up two pens and let you interact with the experience. And because there's no technology in the pen, the smartboard is more smart that it can discern the difference between writing, erasing, or moving those experiences. And all that's done with our new HyperTouch with IR experience. It actually has 20 simultaneous touch points on that experience that you can use. We also have a convenience panel on the below here that let you have an easy way to go to home, power the system on and off, as well as do things like screen shade and freeze frame functions. So you can really have the power user tools of presenting at the front. We've recently moved all the technology in this experience right into the smartboard, so it's freed up our OPS slot that really allows you to be able to complement your MX Pro Series with a Windows 10 built-in computer with it. You can choose an array of options from Smart, but because it's a third-party experience with OPS computers, you can choose a host of third-party options as well. Speaking of included, Smart has a whole range of different inclusions with this. We have our Smart television version experience called iCUE, where iCUE lets you do digital whiteboarding and screencasting, browser. Frankly, you can add any app to our built-in television experience from the Android ecosystem that you'd like to be able to customize that experience. Whether you're deploying a kiosk or one-to-one implementation, we have the correct ways of setting that experience to work securely in your environment. We also offer you Smart Ink. Smart Ink is a free plugin that let you be able to unlock both Mac and PC to be able to universally mark up on anything and be able to save the annotations that you're working upon at any given time. And then we also offer you a digital whiteboarding experience called Meeting Pro that really lets you be able to do unbound whiteboarding in a really novel way. No cost, no obligation, and no subscriptions required. Each one of these MX Pros includes an industry-leading Assure warranty that really offers you an advanced parts replacement program that really minimizes the cost and downtime for ongoing operations. So if there is a hardware problem, you literally ring up Smart and we'll send you a next-day business ship new unit to your doorstep. And from there, you just put the old one back into the box and send it back care of Smart on Smart's dime. So very simple way of really making sure that you have a ton of capability with reducing your ownership, which really leads us to a next level of doing that as well, because we include something called Smart Remote Management, which lets you have an IT dashboard to remotely administer your system with a very powerful set of tools, including the ability to do updates, centralized settings, your provisioning rules, deployment guidelines, as well as the ability to even remotely take over the system and run reports. It's really the next level of really being in the room without being in the room as an IT administrator. So very powerful experience that's included and again designed to reduce your ownership costs to support your end users. Each one of these smartboards that come in the MX Pro come with a wall mount included, but because it follows a Visa pattern, you can use really any third-party approach that you'd like to be able to mount your system. Or you can choose Smart's height adjustable pedestal or cart to be able to choose any one of these sizes to be able to fit your environment that you'd like to. you'd like to learn more about this experience, please go to smarttech.com/MX Pro.